about the weather, waiting for snow. And each day I feel better, and my hope begins to grow. Been staring out my window, looking for a sign, something to remind me of the place I left behind. My time of the year. There's a feeling I remember from the time when I was young. On the last days of December, me and you and everyone, we would run around the big house where your cousins used to live. And we'd do lots of things I know our folks would not forgive. My time of the year. I know it's a lot to ask for a day to forever last. I could wash my hands, but still would relive my past. My time of the year. My time of the year.
It's early Christmas morning when Santa rolls out of bed. He rubs his tired eyes and lifts his weary head. He knows the day before him from so many times before. It's what he loves the most and will do forevermore. Oh, but no one's ever thought to ask what's in his heart. And if even Santa Claus has hopes and dreams, he goes into the workshop that's been burning the midnight oil. He greets all the busy helpers in the midst of their toil. He looks into the progress, and it seems as every year they'll be cutting it close, but that's just how it goes. Of that he has no fear. Oh, but no one's ever thought to ask what's in his heart. And if even Santa Claus has hopes and dreams,
was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I